When you are working at the collage studio, you are going to be cutting and gluing paper to make artwork. So your first step is you need to find a base. To find your base, you need to go to the paper center. You could do a white base, you could do a colored base, it could be square, it could be circle, it's really up to you. So I have this piece of paper right here, but it's kind of long and skinny. I want it to be more of a square, so you can take a paper and you can trim it like this. Okay, now I kind of have two bases. Maybe I want to go put one back so someone else could use it. Okay, so I picked my base and now I'm going to cut some shapes. So in your tub, there is a white bin that has lots of different paper scraps in it. This is the paper that you use to cut and glue. So I'm just gonna cut kind of a bunch of wacky shapes out of your paper, making sure to use your scissors like artists. There's one. This scrap still has a lot left of it, so I'm gonna put it back in the bin. Okay, maybe I'm gonna cut a rectangle out of this one. Again, that's still nice and good. I can put it back so someone else can use it. And then I'm gonna do a triangle. Okay, so I have my shapes. So after you find your base and after you cut out your shapes, then it's time to arrange your shapes. How do you want to put them on your paper? I think I'm going to put my triangle down here, maybe balance that on top like that. Okay, or you can try different ways. Maybe I want to put that here, with that in the middle. Maybe I want to kind of stack them all on top of each other like that. Okay, it's really up to you. After you find the way that you like your shapes, I kind of liked it like this, like it looked like it was balancing. Oh, maybe I'll put that there and that on top like that. Okay, after you arrange it, then it's time to glue. You can use a glue bottle or you can use a glue stick. It's really up to you. If you are using a glue bottle, remember, dot, dot, not a lot. We only need a little bit of glue in order to stick our shapes down. After you finish gluing, you can leave it how it is, or you could also take it to the drawing studio and you can use markers or crayons to add details. So maybe you want to draw some details around your shapes. Maybe you want to draw on top of your shapes. Okay, it's really up to you. Okay, make sure when you're done with your collage that you put it on the drying rack during cleanup time because it will be wet with glue and we don't want it to stick to other things in your folder, so put it on the drying rack. And that's our collage studio.